Assalamualaikum and hi.
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 Susanna.
Yeah, hi. Hi from Japan.
Today we are going to discuss about our theme, which is the climate change. So first we're going to introduce ourselves. Start with me.
My name is Nur Anis Karmila binti Muhammad Zulkifli and my metric number is 190368.
My name is Nurul Shafika. My matrix number is 190000.
My name is Siti Natasha Cassandra binti Ismail and my matrix number is 190456.
My name is Arisa Christina binti Kamsani and my metric number is 190373.
My name is Abdul Hakim Lai bin Muhammad Fikri Lai. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly, but my metric number is 18786.
So today we are going to discuss about the theme climate change. Climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns, in a particular a change apparent from the mid to the late 20th century. So our focus is, does man factors or nature factors cause the climate change the most? So what do you guys think, man factors or nature factors?
I think man factors is the main factor of climate change. Firstly, it is important that we are aware that the link between our daily activities and the greenhouse effect. And furthermore, if you understand this, it is easy to see that you have the power to help stop global warming from getting worse. Now, nearly every product you buy and many of our daily activities involve the use of fossil fuels, and this contribute to global warming. My first point is, when you drive or fly, every time you drive the car, carbon reach out to exhaust into the atmosphere. The use of jet fuel in plane travel also add a great deal to your carbon footprints. My next point is, when you eat meat and exotic food. The food industry, especially the meat industry, is the one of the primary sources of greenhouse effect. According to some recent studies, it seems very likely that at least 91% of greenhouse gases emissions are from the livestock sector. My next point is, when you use electricity, although some power generation is now being done with solar and wind energy, the chances are high that the electricity you use is generated from coal burning power plants. And my last point is, when you move into a new development, if you decide to move into a new suburban development near the edge of town, that means you increasing the profit developers get from cutting down trees and paving our farmland.
I'm sorry, but I'm not very clear about your point that you say when we eating meat, how does it really relate to the climate change?
Since like even the process of livestock itself use machines that then the wastage from the livestock will affect the seed itself, and it somehow will contribute to the global warming.
Well, I'm sorry. So actually, climate change actually have two factors, which is the human factor and the nature itself. So, other than the fossil fuel burning, obviously it actually cause the greenhouse effect and emit CO2, which is carbon dioxide from the cars and all. But other than that, there's actually the nature cause, like the way the sun orbit around the earth. Actually it gives out certain effect that might causes some thermal effects towards the earth, because the earth doesn't orbit in the same it does orbit in the same way all year round, but sometimes it could be closer. That's why we have certain phenomena that we can see, and it actually causes certain effect like the melting of the ice, the North Pole, South Pole. So to me, it's quite the same because nature has its own way of working, and we human actually make it worse. I want you guys, what all of you think about the causes of the climate change.
Okay, so I am on Lai's side. I mean, I think that the climate change is also caused by, mainly by natural causes. Okay, so from what I know, volcanic eruptions can be a major cause of climate changes too. Okay, so this is because when the volcano erupts, they will emit carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. And since we all are science students, you know that both of those gases can cause an increase in temperature. And it also will emit aerosol. Some of you might not remember what aerosol is, but I just researched about it just now. Aerosol is it can be liquid or solid, and it floats in the air when the volcano erupts. The aerosol contains dust, salt, soot, bacteria, and viruses too. And I think that is a lot. And the dust, it causes something like a haze, and that can cause a blockage of sunlight, and that will actually cause the temperature to go down.
I do agree with your point, but back to our focus, which is does man factor or nature factor cause the climate change the most? For me, personally, it is the man's factors, because nature's factors, yes, it is affect the climate change, but it is not too much. If we compare to the man's factors, like Arisa has explained just now, which is our daily activities, such as driving cars, or the factories causing the carbon dioxide emissions and others greenhouse gas emission. So that's what affect the climate change the most. It really affects the melting of ice in our Arctic. So that causes our temperature is our weather hot right now. What do you think, Nina?
In my opinion, climate change is caused by many factors. For example, if human change in land use and land cover have changed of reflectivity. Processes such as deforestation, desertification, and urbanization often contribute to change in climate in the place they occur. For your information, deforestation also can reduce our oxygen, so it will automatically can make our temperature will rise.
I do agree with you. If I can add some points, some lands are used for agriculture, so they deforest the forest for the use of agriculture. So this will cause the biologically affects the climate change.
Can I know more about the urbanization that you talked about?
Well, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure.
So about the urbanization, actually, the nature, like I said, the nature has its own ways of working. But since the industrial revolution, back which 100 more or less. So the actually scientists has went over this, that they are saying that the effect of addition of greenhouse gases which causes by the industrial revolution until nowadays, the sun radiance is actually 50 times more powerful it was before. That is why, because our Earth is the reason why world is quite author nowadays. Certain areas. Okay, so solar irradiance have been contributing to climate trends for the past centuries, but actually it gets 50 times more powerful since the industrial revolution started. So for me, it's a big human are the one who is the main cause of the climate change actually, because our factory, our cars, and all that uses fossil fuel actually created heat, and which causes the solar radiance to be 50 times more powerful.
If I can go
So,
back to Tasha's
Okay.
point about the
Yes.
nature factors that you say about the volcanoes, does it really regularly happen, or how much does it really happen?
It depends on the country. Like some countries it happens regularly. I'm not really sure about that actually. Maybe countries like Indonesia have, right? But it's not regular. Other than that, I don't know. I don't actually know. I'm sorry about that.
Regularity of the volcanoes is actually yes. Like in Hawaii, like in other places, they actually have active volcanoes which could erupt at any time, and most of the time it spits out the lava. So yes, it does happen regularly.
So I think the
Hello?
majority of us really do think that the men's factors affect the climate change the most.
Yeah.
Do everyone agree about that?
Yes.
Yes, I do agree.
So I think that we have come to a conclusion that the men factors cause the climate change the most. So I think that's all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.